Good morning, good afternoon, or very good evening to all the students and teachers watching and listening to this video. Welcome in Listen and Read Aloud series by my online English class. In this particular video, we are going to read aloud two poems from the second unit. The first one is 2.1 Comparisons and the second one is 2.4 Please listen. So students, without wasting time, open your books on page number 33. The first poem, Comparisons. Fast as a spaceship, slow as a snail, big as a dinosaur, small as a nail, fierce as a tiger, gentle as a lamb, sour as a lemon, sweet as jam, dry as the desert, wet as the sea, square as a house, round as a pea, cool as a cave, warm as toast, noisy as a road drill, quiet as a ghost, strong as an ox, weak as a kitten, hard as a rock, soft as a mitten, dark as a tunnel, light as the moon, night time midnight, daytime noon, tall as a giant, short as an elf, crooked as a mountain path, straight as a shelf. The world is full of opposites, so think of some yourself. Anonymous. Now let us read the second poem. Please listen. When I ask you to listen to me and you start giving me advice, you have not done what I asked. When I ask you to listen to me and you begin to tell me why I shouldn't feel that way, you are trampling on my feelings. When I ask you to listen to me and you feel you have to do something to solve my problem, you have failed me, strange as that may seem. Listen. All I ask is that you listen. Don't talk or do, just hear me. Advice is cheap. 20 cents will get you both Dear Abby and Billy Graham in the same newspaper. And I can do for myself. I am not helpless, maybe discouraged and faltering, but not helpless. When you do something for me that I can and need to do for myself, you contribute to my fear and inadequacy. But when you accept as a simple fact that I feel what I feel, no matter how irrational, then I can stop trying to convince you and get about this business of understanding what's behind this irrational feeling. And when that's clear, the answers are obvious, and I don't need advice. Irrational feelings make sense when we understand what's behind them. Perhaps that's why prayer works sometimes for some people because God is mute and He doesn't give advice or try to fix things. God just listens and lets you work it out for yourself. So please listen and just hear me. And if you want to talk, wait a minute for your turn and I will listen to you. Author unknown. So thank you students for listening to these two videos.